I don't care what drawing skills you have, even if you are a complete beginner, if you have Photoshop and a mouse, you can draw this by yourself. Just follow the steps, watch the video to the end, and you're going to have a beautiful painting in just a few minutes. Alright, those are the main colors that I use. In this video I'm mainly using my mouse, the normal brushes, and I'm doing a lot of blending using low opacity. So we're gonna start painting the sky by blending with low opacity. After that we are gonna copy and flip vertical the layer to create the sea. We're gonna change it a little bit, make it more vibrant and darker. We're gonna add a circle that's going to be used as a sun. Then we're gonna cut it in half. Copy and flip and paste it again. Use the blur effect to make it look like it's reflected in the water. Now we're gonna create the horizon and make the sun glow. Again, I'm using just the normal brush with low opacity. A very useful tip is to use a lot of layers in this painting in order to make it more clean and more organized. I'm gonna use the eraser here, again with low opacity, to create waves in the water. After that I'm gonna create a new layer and use the brush to create more waves, and then I'm going to use the blur effect again. Now we're gonna create a little cloud. Because the cloud is above the sun, the bottom part will be brighter and the top will be darker. Now we're gonna copy, flip and paste it on the other side. And now we're gonna create another cloud that's going to be a little bit darker and a little bit bigger. Again, we're using the blur effect. We're gonna copy and paste it on the other side. I'm gonna paste it one more time, put it in the top right corner, but I will use the razor to remove the bright part of it. We're gonna create one more small and bright cloud, which is going to be placed in front of the sun. We're gonna use the blur again, copy and paste it on the other side. We're gonna copy all of the clouds now, flip them vertical, play with the perspective a little bit, use the blur effect again, and we're going to create a reflection in the sea. Now we're gonna create a few birds, and then we're going to play with the opacity and the eraser tool to make them look as if they are far in the distance. Now we're gonna draw an island and we're gonna put a little palm on top of it. We're gonna make some leaves. This can take a little bit more time, but once you get used to it, it's going to be alright. Of course, this can be made with a lot of more details and more clean, but I'm trying to show that you can do that in a short amount of time. We're gonna make the sky a little bit more vibrant and darker, and the same goes for the sea as well. Now we're gonna make a fishing boat. Remember that I'm using a mouse. If you have a graphic tablet, this is going to be a lot more easier, but even with a mouse you can create something like that. And now we're gonna make a human inside of it. We're gonna add the fishing rod. We're gonna copy, flip and paste and create a shadow reflected in the water. We're just gonna finish adding some more details, playing with the opacity and do some blending. If you want to see more tutorials like that, just like and subscribe and comment what type of drawing you want to see next. If you keep practicing, you will be able to do this drawing in just 10 minutes. And for such a short amount of time, I think this is pretty damn cool. Yeah, thank you for watching.